Ice on my neck, flawless baguettes. Hop off a jet, barely get rest. Cash through the mud, I get a check.
YouTube, back again with another video from D and Naya. So as you guys know, Hurricane Florence is here in Charlotte, North Carolina, and it's coming. It hadn't hit us that bad yet, but it's coming. It's coming. The rain has started, so Naya thinks that she prepared herself for the hurricane, and I'm gonna show you guys how she prepared herself and show you where she is. Follow me so you guys can see where she's at. We back. About to show y'all where Naya at.
Dang it. She's right here.
This Naya, y'all. Like, she ready for the hurricane.
Skinny legs. She got her book bag.
Naya, show the people what you got going on.
So I got my light, just in case it go out. And then I got my bag. What's some supplies?
What's in the bag?
What's in the bag? I got my MacBook. So I can watch Orange is the Black.
But how you gonna watch that without electricity?
Be quiet, D.
All right.
I got deodorant.
What's that one? All right.
And what? Just get sweaty. Oh, I left my candle.
Can you cut the light off though?
Cut it off.
There we go.
Stop touching me.
Oh, don't get that.
And I got my pillow to protect my head.
How you gonna protect it?
D, I told you this. I just fired it on you.
So you think you need a little bit of water to go with the...
Dominic!
We gotta get you ready. So if the
Stop! Get her! Get
her! If the rain came down...
I gotta sleep with this!
So if the rain came down on your head, what would you do?
Get out!
If the rain... Hey, calm down. If the rain right here, the rain came down. If the rain came down, hey, if the rain came down on you, what would you do? You're not prepared, are you?
I am prepared.
So if the rain came down on you, what would you do?
I will make a fort out of sticks. What?
So let's see.
Stop! You stop!
Let's see if you...
D.
Huh?
Listen, man. I gave y'all the plan what y'all can do in Mookie's closet. And y'all are torturing me in here. Can you get me off the camera?
All right, YouTube.
YouTube!